To activate Edge Lightning on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. And first of all, you'll have to go into the settings. From here, you have to scroll all the way, down a little bit and go for the wallpaper and personalization. And right here, you'll have to select the always on display notifications. But let me quickly tell you a quick note that you don't have to have this always on display enabled. You can simply go into always on display notifications and select any of these stars that you want. There are currently like 3 of them available. As by tapping on it, you have this preview of how it looks like, and basically it applies, like you're selecting it and it applies the changes. So now let's go back, and unfortunately there's no way for me to show you this Edge Lightning, but after your screen is locked and you'll receive a notification, this Edge Lightning notifications right here will appear. And yeah, that's basically how you can do this. That's how you can activate the Edge Lightning.